I thought I'd do a video on how to wire up a three-phase motor to run off single phase where the motor's got wires coming out of it instead of terminals and jumper connectors like the other videos have, like the other videos on YouTube. As you can see, this motor's got 6 wires coming out of it and the earth. 3 are labelled UVW1, the other 3 are labelled UVW2. So I couldn't find anything on YouTube, so I went searching elsewhere for the information on how to wire this up in Delta, and I came across this information here from Don from Illinois. The configuration is you wire up, you connect up U1 to W2, V1 to U2, and W1 to V2, and that'll give you your Delta configuration. And that's what I've done here. That's the U1 W2, that's the V1 U2, and that's the W1 V2 connected up there. Also with this motor, I wanted to run not only off single phase, but I wanted to have variable speed. And the only way you could do that is to do it through a variable frequency drive, which is what this box here is, and what I've got the motor connected to in that configuration. As you can see, it's a 1 horsepower with 230 volts in and 3 phase out, so it does the phase shifting for you. I've got the single phase 240 going in here, and does the phase shifting through the capacitors and gives you 3 phase out to be able to drive the motor. It's a great little unit. It's got a host of functions on it, but I only want it for basic features. So we'll start it up and see how we go. So I'll just hit the run button there and turn the knob. A bit hard to see, but as you can see, the motors are running there. That's the frequency. Turn it up. A bit hard to see. I'll change it to revs per minute. Maybe that's better. You can see that better. That's 359 revs per minute. Again, as you can hear the motor going up. See it spinning there. So you can adjust the speed to whatever level you want. It's got a reverse feature here. Forward reverse, just hit that and it just goes into reverse. Slowing down and then into reverse. So it's a good feature. You can crank up the revs per minute there in reverse. So the good thing about this unit, not only does it drive your 3-phase motor and give you variable speed, but allows you to buy 3-phase equipment and run it off just single phase, like a lathe or a drill press. You can run both off just the one unit. So it's a good little unit. And that's the wiring to run to connect up to Delta for these European type motors. American motors are also have got wires coming out of them. Some motors do. There's a certain configuration for them. The configuration to wire up into Delta for those motors got 9 wires. You connect 4, 5 and 6 together and you just terminate those. 1 to 7, 2 to 8, 3 to 9, and that's where your power comes in. That's what you connect them to. But of course, check all the information that you've got in here to make sure it's accurate before you do anything. Hope my video has been helpful.